Today we're going to talk about a very cost-effective way of monitoring your hydraulic system for dirt contamination. We're going to talk about the Schroder TCM Test-Mate Contamination Monitor. The TCM measures particles in four sizes: 4, 6, 14, and 21 microns. The unit can also be used inline or in manifold mounted if need be. It also measures ISO and SAE codes, and it gives you a 4 to 20 milliamp analog signal. It's compatible with standard mineral oils and phosphate esters. The inlet and outlet ports are interchangeable. Required flow is 200 to 300 milliliters, and it must have a 200 psi differential pressure to properly work. You can install this unit in construction equipment, agricultural machinery, test equipment, industrial hydraulic systems, different power units, even portable filtration units. This slide shows the basic installation of the TCM. As you notice, the flow is south to north, and we do that so it creates a back pressure to the unit. One other thing is that we want this hosed in rather than hard plumbed. This hose should be no smaller than 4 millimeters. The other part of the screen shows a screen of a default, and that's basically the startup menu. When it starts up, it goes through a self-diagnostic, and you'll see all different kinds of things come up on the screen. When it's completed doing its diagnosis, it'll automatically go to ISO. What you see on this slide is the actual particle count of new oil. Now, if you wish to find out what the SAE code is, then you use the cursor on the screen and move it to SAE, and it'll give you an SAE count. If you want to know what the flow is that you have to the unit, again, use the cursor and go to the flow, and it'll give you what the flow is in milliliters. And then if you want to see what the actual electrical output of this is, you would go to output and it would show you that. And the drive basically is the intensity of the light beam that automatically adjusts, but if you want to see what the intensity is, you can go to drive. And the next is the temperature of the oil. Now, if you want to make any changes at all, set this up so it automatically counts or shuts off at a certain point, you have to take the power completely off of this and then put your finger on the old button there that says escape and put the power back to it, and then you'll get a reading that says mode. At that point, you can go in and change anything you want to change on the unit. If you have any questions or you want to have the unit custom made for you to do what you want it to do, please contact Schroder Industries and ask for technical support. Thank you.